this video, we're going to assemble an Infinity Evolution massage chair. To complete this assembly, you'll need an Allen wrench, which is included with the additional parts in your chair. These additional parts include 2 sets of screws, a shorter set and a longer set, and a set of clips. Before we start assembly, make sure that the Evolution is in a reclined position. This is how the chair is shipped. If it is not in this position, then connect the chair to power and attach the remote to recline the chair. The first step in the assembly is going to be to install the arms. Before we move the arm into position, notice that there are a set of hoses on the frame of the chair. In order to avoid pinching them while installing the arm, push them further into the frame. Once the tubes are out of the way, place the hook on the arm to the connecting rod on the frame of the chair. Slide the arm back so that the rear connecting rod aligns with the rear hook. In order to do this, you may need to push the back of the chair as you slide it into place. Check to make sure that the hook and the connecting rod are firmly in place before moving on to the next step. There are 2 kinds of screws included with the kit. A set of silver screws, these are the longer ones, and a set of black ones, these are the shorter. There are 2 places to install these screws to attach the arms to the chair. One towards the foot of the chair, and the other one is under the shoulder pads. Install the black screw in the hole by the foot of the chair. Tighten it by hand for 3 or 4 turns, then finish tightening it with the Allen wrench. The other hole is under the shoulder airbag. Take one of the silver screws and install it into the hole behind the Velcro cover. As with the other screw, tighten it by hand for 3 or 4 turns, then finish tightening it with the Allen wrench. For this step, you may find it useful to bring the chair to an upright position. Plug the chair in and attach the remote, then hit the power button. This will bring the chair to an upright position. Finally, to finish each arm, connect the air hoses that we tucked away earlier. These hoses are numbered and will match the nozzles on the arms of each chair. Once both arms are installed, you're ready to begin with the leg rest. Bring the footrest close to its axles on the chair, leaving space to reach down and connect the hookups. There are 4 pieces that need to be attached: 3 electrical plugs, small, medium, and large, and an air hose. When inserting the plugs into their respective sockets, it is important that the thumb button is facing up and that there is a click when the plug is inserted. Now, to attach the leg rest onto the axles, first slide the leg rest all the way down one axle. This should give you enough space to then maneuver it and slide it partway down the second axle. Once in place, install the lock clips onto the ends of each axle so that the legs do not slide off. After the footrest is attached and the clips are on the axles, zipper the footrest cover to the cover of the chair. Finally, with everything connected, take the remote and select one of the auto programs. While the chair is running, make sure that all airbags are inflated and that all the rollers are working. If you need any additional assistance, give us a call at 603-910-5000. If everything is running smoothly, you're good to go and ready to unlimit your wellness. Enjoy, and thank you for joining the Infinity family.